Let's pack for Disney World. It's going to be very hot, but very fun. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello there. My name is Karen and I make brand new videos for you guys every single week, so you should definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button down there so that you do not miss out on all my brand new videos and shorts. Hello you guys, it is time for another Disney World pack with me video. I always have the best time making these and using them as a way to double check myself and make sure that I have every single item packed. I'm leaving tomorrow night, so I do have a little bit of extra time, but I have to go to my internship all day tomorrow, and I'm also now in summer classes. I have a lot going on, and this is the only time that I really have to pack. Without further ado, let's just get started. I feel like I've never filmed from this side of my room before, but I'm honestly kind of liking it. I apologize that the room looks so messy. Everything is scattered and we need to pack it. So I'm going to Disney World for the 4th of July and it's around 6 nights. So I need 6 different outfits, and then I'm going to bring some extra athletic clothes as well, just in case I'm not feeling an outfit one day or I want to change into more comfortable clothes at the end of the night. The first outfit that I have, this is a top from Altered State, and I'm going to pair it with these white shorts from Altered State. Then I have this top, which is from TikTok Shop. It's this butter yellow top and it's lace in the front, and then I just have these blue jean shorts to pair with it. I have 2 different athletic rompers slash dresses. This is a green athletic dress that's from Aerie. I've worn it a million times. And then I have this pink athletic romper from Amazon. I have this red heart top that I think I'm going to wear on the 4th of July, and the jean shorts that I'm going to pair with it are still in the washer. Once they're clean and dry, I will pack them. We have some black jean shorts that are from PacSun, and then I'm going to pair it with this little lace top from Abercrombie. I have this little flower top, and then I'm going to pair it with these white jean shorts. And then I just have my black Lululemon tennis skirt because I'm gonna bring it to pair with like a tank top or something. I need to pick that out super quickly. Okay, so that's all like the outfits that I'm bringing, like cohesive outfits that I've put together. But I'm also gonna be bringing like some Swiftly Techs from Lululemon and probably my Lululemon shorts as well, but all of it is dirty. Once it's clean, I'm just gonna throw it in my suitcase. That'll have to be like a really last minute thing. Let's move on to packing up my clothes. I've got all my clothes right here to put into my suitcase. And then I also have some packing cubes. I got these for Christmas last year, and these are really nice just for organizing different things. Like I'm gonna put my athletic clothes in one, maybe like t-shirts in another cube, pajamas in another. Just makes it way more organized. I'm gonna do a time lapse of me throwing all my clothes into this section of my suitcase. Let's get started. Okay, all of that is in my suitcase now, and I forgot to mention this earlier, but I'm also bringing these satin pajamas. They're just a set, so I'm also going to throw these into this packing cube. The good thing about summer is that you don't have to bring like jackets or jeans or anything like that, so you end up having way more space in your suitcase, that's for sure. Super quickly, 2 things that I forgot about. Number 1, my bathing suit to wear to the water park when we go on the first day. And then I also just have 2 different Disney shirts, but one of them is in the washer right now. This is a blue Walt Disney World t-shirt just with all the characters on it. So I think that's it for clothes. Now we're gonna move on to shoes. Shoes I'm actually very straightforward with. Like I never really have too much of an issue with packing shoes. First off, I'm just gonna bring my oldest Hokas that I own because it is July in Orlando, and that means that it's going to be raining every single day, whether you like it or not. So I'm not gonna bring like my brand new ones whenever these have been used for over a year now and they're very dirty. And I also have these flip-flops slash sandals that I can wear to the water park. And then these are my favorite shoes of all time. They are my chunky white tennis shoes. These match every single outfit that I'm bringing. And then here's my little hack for you guys. This is a bag that my sheets came in, like my bed sheets. I kept it so that I can bring my shoes and not get my clothes dirty if I needed to like keep them on the same side as my clothes in my suitcase. So you just put them in there like that and then close them up. It has some Velcro. Boom, now you have your shoes in this little bag just so that other things in your suitcase don't have to like touch them or get them dirty. But that is literally it for shoes. So moving on. And now we are moving right along to toiletries. Behind me, I have my Vera Bradley little caddy that I bring on every single vacation with me, and I just store all of my different hair care products, my skincare products, my dental hygiene products. Literally everything just has a separate pocket. Let me show you guys what I have in here already. In the top, I typically keep like my hair brush, my comb, stuff like that. So I just have a comb, I have a facial razor, and then I have conditioner. My sister carries the shampoo, so I just have the conditioner. Next pocket we have is my skincare routine pocket. I just have a face wash and then 2 little travel sizes of my moisturizer because I don't know if one of them is gonna like run out. I tend to use a lot of moisturizer when I go on vacation because my skin is just so dry. And then I have some eye makeup remover. I also have some rubbing alcohol, and then I also have this new bubble product that I got. It's this knockout acne spot treatment just in case I get a pimple or something. It's supposed to make it go away like practically overnight. And then in the third pocket I have all of my dental hygiene products. So I have a toothbrush, TheraBreath, some floss picks, my retainer, and then I also just have my random makeup remover wipes in there. I don't know how those got put in that pocket. And then I'm also going to be packing my electric toothbrush in a little travel case that I have, but I still have to use it today and tomorrow, so I'm going to pack that tomorrow night. And then in the bottom of this caddy I have another pocket. First off, we just have my hair mask, then I have some travel perfume, I have this new hair product that I've been using. It's the Pantene Split Infuser. Then I also have some cotton balls in here. I have some soap, like hand soap. I have a shower cap, and then I have a razor and deodorant. I'm gonna put everything back into this caddy. And then I'm also going to be packing my ears right now. 3 pairs are coming along with me. First off, we have the classic black and white polka dots. These just match everything. Then I'm also going to be bringing these beautiful green ones. These match that athletic dress perfectly, so these will be coming with me. And then I also just have always wanted to wear these, and I never have. They're this very pretty baby pink with sequins all over them. These are literally the same exact thing, just in 2 different colors, so I am kind of obsessed with these. And then while I'm in the mood for doing it, I'm going to very quickly gather my hair accessories and then also jewelry because I dread those 2 things the most out of everything. So I already went and got my hair accessories. I have this little white headband that can match anything just in case I wanted to do something different. I also have this fun pearl white headband, and then I also have a black claw clip just in case, and I have just a fun white hair tie, and then my makeup headband. And then I also have these 2 really cute white clips that I've been wanting to wear like in my hair like this if it was straight or if it was curled. Now you're going to watch a time lapse of me packing up my jewelry into my little travel jewelry case. Moving right along, I'm also going to be packing my makeup bag. Literally all of my makeup products are already in this one bag. I normally pack a backpack to just like bring along with me in the car, and this has all of my essentials that I need whenever I'm traveling, aka like my AirPods, my laptop, mints, stuff like that. So I'm gonna pack this really quickly. I just have this white backpack. Number 1, we have my hard drive so that I can edit while I'm there. Then I have my iPad that I can use to make my thumbnails because I do have to make a thumbnail while I'm there. Next up, I have my textbook for one of my summer classes. Definitely have to bring that along with me. And then I also have my laptop just so that I can, number 1, edit, and then number 2, work on my summer classes. This is definitely not really like a vacation. I'm going to be working on school the majority of the time that I'm there. I also have a laptop charger as well. Speaking of chargers, I just have this whole bag of various chargers. It has like an iPhone charger, Apple Watch charger, laptop charger. I have one of my newest additions. This is my little portable fan that I got from TikTok shop a few months back, and I'm very, very excited to use this during this trip. It just has 2 different settings, this high setting and then this lower setting, and it folds down to this super portable size, so I can just carry this along with me in my belt bag. Speaking of belt bags, I have my Disney belt bag that I'm going to be bringing as well, which has my magic band on it, and then my little Pooh Bear plush that I add to the strap of this bag. And inside of this I just have a poncho, ibuprofen, some money. This will be the belt bag that I'm going to be bringing. Then I'm also going to be bringing some Tic Tacs, my favorite mints ever, and then some Trident Mint Bliss gum. So now now it's time to put everything in my suitcase and zip it up. And then after that, I really want to put on these Olive & June press-on nails. I became obsessed with these in like the beginning of May, and I had this one specific color that I saved for this trip because they're just so summery and I love the colors so much. First, let's finish packing up because I don't want to break a nail. Doing my nails with that Olive & June kit. I recently have been obsessed with Olive & June, and I recently was selected to be a college ambassador for them, which I am so excited about. My nails turned out so cute, and they literally took me right around 25-ish minutes to do. If you're interested in trying out any of Olive & June's press-on nails or just their nail polishes, I'm going to pop up my ambassador code on the screen. You can go and check out Olive & June's website and get something for yourself, and it will be 10% off if you use that discount code. Other than that, I think that I'm basically ready for this 4th of July Disney World trip. It's going to be very hot, but very fun. Thank you guys so much for joining me today as I packed for Disney World. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also do not forget to hit that subscribe button down there so that you do not miss out on all my brand new videos and shorts every single week. I love you guys all so much. Thank you so much for being here and for watching this week's video, and I will see you all in the next one. Good night.